Here we have my pigeons. As you can see, the weather isn't very good. We have snow. Must be about 2 feet deep around here. It's like the Arctic, this. Poor pigeons. Can't get out this weather. They have to stay in. At least they're better than the wild birds. They get well fed and kept dry, etc. This moment, the birds are on eggs. Some of them. Some of them are on eggs. Some of them haven't laid yet. I think the weather is, I think the ones that haven't laid have more sense than the ones that have laid. But most of the old ones have laid, there's only one pair hasn't.